There is a story of Lord Ganesha that he and his brother Kartikeya, they had a race in amongst themselves. They said that we'll go around the world 3 times, and who does it faster will win the race. So Kartikeya hops onto his peacock and goes around the world, across the mountains, the oceans, once, twice, thrice, and then Ganesha just takes 3 rounds of his parents around his parents, once, twice, thrice, and says, "I won." So Kartika says, "How?" He says, "You took 3 rounds of the world, and I took 3 rounds of my world. So, what matters?" So the point is that the world is objective, logical, universal, factual, and scientific, whereas my world is subjective, emotional, personal, thoughts, dreams, beliefs. The world tells us how the world functions, how the sun rises, how we are born, whereas my world tells us why the sun rises, why we were born. And today I ask this question, why are we here? We are here to inaugurate Chanakya Chakravyuh, India's first financial board game based on the ancient teachings of the Arthashastra. This idea started off in the mind of Sri Jayesh Chauhan, and then he connected with Mr. Rajiv Shah, and then Dr. Radhakrishnan Pillai and myself. So I would just like to call Jayesh Bhai and Rajiv Bhai to just give a small brief about this whole journey, how we have reached over here from the inception till here. So please, Jayesh Bhai and Rajiv Bhai, please on stage.
Distinguished guests and friends, this journey began long back, almost 12 years back. My Guru Rishi Prabhakarji of SSY, he was here in Mumbai, and I was doing a duty of Sarthi. I was taking him in my car to a venue. And while traveling, he asked me, "You start some new activity related to business." I said, "What should be the purpose of that activity?" And he said, "You have to create entrepreneurs." So I said, "But I don't know what to do." He said, "You will learn. You start doing it, and you will know what to do." Then we started SSY Business Club, and there we started helping few people start their business. Rajiv Bhai is one of them, and he started making meditation chairs. And today he is doing very well, different kinds of chairs, he is doing a good business. Then I was looking for ways how I can create more and more entrepreneurs. So I attended many different courses. I went to USA, Singapore, Malaysia, and attended courses by the so-called gurus of Western gurus who had created a wealth from 0 to millions. I can name a few: Howard T. Eker, Anthony Robbins, Robert Kiyosaki, Robert Allen, and many more. But after learning from them, I have a great respect for them. But when I was thinking, I felt that instead of looking at West, we should look at our own ancient culture, and from our old ancient wisdom, we should do something. So I contacted Rajiv Bhai that we would create a game, and he was also excited, and he said, "Yes, we will do it jointly." Then we were thinking what we should do, and we cannot think anyone better than Chanakya. From Kautilya's Arthashastra, I felt that we can create something. So then we contacted our friend Radhakishan Pillai ji, because I don't think there is any better person than him who can help and guide us about Chanakya. And then on the Radhaji's suggestion, we also included Anurag in our team. And 4 persons, as a jointly, we started meeting regularly and lots of brainstorming. And then we ultimately came out with this game. And then with we had a partnership with Professional Insight Groups, and we started playing those game with the Professional Insights in their training sessions. And there we get lots of feedback, and lots of fine tuning goes into improving and making the game better. And ultimately now it's ready, and we are ready for launch today. Thank you.
आज से 12-15 साल पहले हम लोग बिजनेस प्रोग्राम ग्रुप शुरू किया था। उसमें चाणक्य के बारे में जब भी जयेश भाई से मेरी बात हुई, तभी मेरी उनके मन में आइडिया था कि इसको हमें लोगों के साथ ले जाना है। तो उसकी डिज़ाइन, उसको कंसेप्चुअलाइज करके पूरी डिज़ाइन वर्क में कैसे फिट करना और कैसे उसको अट्रैक्टिव बनाना और कैसे मास में ले जाना, उसके बारे में मैंने बहुत सारे हमने सेशंस किए और आज ये गेम प्रोडक्ट होके आज के आपके सामने रेडी है। और इसका पूरा श्रेय चाणक्य की जो भी टीम है, अनुराग और राधा कृष्णा, जयेश जी, सबको जाता है।
Thank you, Jayesh bhai. Thank you, Rajiv bhai. So, this was a journey so far of Chanakya's Chakravyuh, from idea to concept to the product stage. And now, this launch program will take it to the next level. Like, now the real work starts after today.